Little piglet going through the garbage. So man, there's no escaping this heat. I am soaking wet right now. My shirt's covered in sweat. I think this is one of the hottest days that I've experienced this year, without a doubt. This even beats Delhi. According to the weather app, it was supposed to be not as hot as Delhi, but sure doesn't feel like that. Look at this. Look at the little piggy. Look at this guy. He's a bit scared. Where's mommy? There's like a little swamp here. So yeah, basically I'm walking to the eastern group of temples. I was closer to the western groups, but they're pretty big, and there's a ticket to get in, so I didn't want to do that today while I'm... Namaste.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Very good. Better
Very
than
good.
yesterday.
Better than yesterday?
Yes.
What happened yesterday?
Yesterday was more hot. Today a little cold.
Yesterday was hot. Today is very hot.
Yeah, yesterday was more.
I can't
It
imagine.
has very beautiful tattoos.
Tattoos, yeah. Thank you.
How? Where you
Thank
come
you.
From, sir?
I come from Delhi.
Delhi. You have a lot of belly.
I have.
Delhi and belly. You know belly? Cat.
Do you know Delhi belly?
Yes.
That means when you have stomach ache,
Acha.
it's called Delhi belly.
What you doing? Making documentary?
I'm just making a video.
Acha. Just for a fun, eh?
Yeah, just for fun. For YouTube.
Very good. What is your profession?
I'm a photographer.
Photographer.
Yes. What do you do?
I'm a farmer.
You're a farmer?
Yes.
Wow. What do you farm?
Do a lot of things.
Like what?
Tomato, potato, onion, chili, ginger.
Wow. That's really nice. You have your own farms?
Not really, but we
You work
work for someone.
Yeah, okay.
Like a partnership.
Right, right. So you're
What
trying
I
to...
grow, half I give them.
Okay,
half
so
I
you
keep.
half of it you keep.
Yes.
And they don't give you any money?
No, because we have to invest it money as well.
Okay, so you bring all the seeds and everything?
Yeah.
Okay,
Like estates or tractor work or
Okay.
chemical product. These whole things
Right.
we have to pay.
so the landowner gets half of the...
Yes, because he's owner of the
Okay.
land.
Right, right.
So his land and our material
Okay.
and work as well.
So are you trying to buy your own land, save money and...
Actually, it's not so difficult. It's not so easy to get buy a land. You know?
Okay. Is it
That
expensive?
Of course.
Very expensive?
You know, because
Maybe you can buy a small land and then slowly...
It's not possible.
No?
That is not that much easy, you know.
Okay.
If we work for someone, is enough to live life. It's not
Okay.
enough to save.
But then you should think about moving forward, you know, making more, doing more things.
Of course, but at every season we got something happen. Sometimes
Right,
lot
right.
of rain, sometimes less rain.
Right.
So it's not really easy
Yeah,
to earn
yeah.
that much good money, you know.
So was this season good? You get enough
Not
rain?
really, but yeah.
Not really, but yeah.
Yeah, because that is a monsoon season, but not when we really need water. That time no raining.
Okay.
But now raining when we don't need water.
So when you farm, you don't have your own water system. You only
Yeah, we
depend
have-
on the rain.
We have our own water well as well.
Right.
But we have two seasons. That is rainy season.
Uh-huh.
That time farming is depend on the running.
Okay.
At which time is running.
Right. Right. Right.
But if it's not running good time, it will be happen.
Right.
I mean the plantation will be die, getting less energyful.
Right. Right. That's good. Who knows? Maybe you can think about saving money, and you never
friend,
know
in
something.
In this life, everybody will like to have a life like ice cream. Every human can work like this.
No, I know, but you should always strive to become better.
Do you smoke sometimes?
No, I don't
Do
smoke.
you smoke? They are smoking.
No, it's okay.
No?
I don't like to smoke.
आओ महाराज फोटो बना रहा हूँ. You speak Hindi?
Yes.
Very good. You live in India or somewhere?
Yeah, I live in Delhi.
Delhi.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good.
Is this one of the temples here?
Yeah, oh Bhagat Bhagwan. Yeah, this is one temple.
How many temples are here?
In this area?
Yeah.
This
In the
area
eastern.
we have total 9 temples.
9?
Yes.
Okay.
Total in Khajuraho we have 21 temples.
Okay.
11 temples in the western part.
Uh-huh.
And 9 temples are on the outside part,
Okay.
like east and southern part.
Right. And how far is the southern?
Actually, southern is a little far, but eastern part are near. Like
Yeah,
eastern,
this is the eastern part.
Yeah, but eastern has also 2 parts. Now you are in the Hinduism part.
Okay.
And when you cross the village, then you arrive on the another part of the Hinduism, like Jainism part.
Oh, okay.
But eastern part has 2 parts, Hinduism part and Jainism part.
Right, right.
Near
Yeah.
to Jainism, there you can see some south temple.
South? You mean the south group?
South group of India.
Okay.
But when you watching a village, you will be very interested to see some beautiful local old statues of the temple. As you see this temple, which
Yeah.
has been cleaned by the chemical. It has
This
a
one?
beautiful, yes, it has a beautiful
Okay.
signing. As you see,
Yeah,
there is some dark color.
on the top. Yeah,
You know?
yeah, I see that.
But inside of the village, when you're making a round, you will see some old antique statues, which are really very 1100 years old.
Uh-huh.
Which statues people do found it to building a house of the house, they do get at this thing. And
Right.
they just move to put it on the round of the village. People can watch the reality and original things.
Yeah, yeah. So why didn't they clean the whole thing?
One books, Khajuraho story into
No,
plus
it's okay.
Khajuraho notes.
I'm
Because
good.
if they
I'm
didn't
good.
clean from the chemical,
Yeah.
it has a big happen. Like
do you
water
mean?
will be on the top of the statue. So
Uh-huh.
after if it will be continued, the statue will be destroyed.
Oh, okay. Because of the
Always
chemicals.
They do put it on the chemicals on the statues.
Yeah.
So water will be on the never on the top. Water will be come out.
Right, right. It
If it
starts
will
to
be
erode.
water always, the slowly statue will be get more sharps,
Yeah,
like come out.
yeah, yeah. Like some parts are clean, but
This temple we call Vamana.
Vamana.
Yes, inside you see the god of Vishnu who has 52 incarnation.
Okay. So Vamana means Vishnu.
Yes, Vishnu.
Okay.
Go and head to visit, and then you can see there is one top, one gate where before people do a meditation.
The
Yes,
top
on,
floor.
On the top floor.
So it can go up.
No anymore, but it
But
was
before it was
yes,
for
in the past.
meditation. All right, so this is one of the eastern temples here. The detailing on this, on these carvings are incredible. I think they're carved out of some kind of a stone. I'm not an expert, but sounds like somebody's sweeping up there. Don't throw it down here. So these temples are almost 2,000 years old. That might be hard to believe, but look it up. They're over 2,000 years old, and a lot of them are still in pristine condition. I mean, so the guy was telling me that they sometimes would use chemicals to clean some of these artworks, and it doesn't always work out. Sometimes it erodes the statues. As you can see, this one is completely, not completely, but almost destroyed. But yeah, this is something that's 2,000 years old. It's really hard to imagine. 2,000 years old. But these ladies have got some big old titties. for sure. Well, I'm gonna have to visit the other ones as well. All right, so the security guard inside told me that you can't video the inside of the temple, but you can photograph it, which is weird. But
Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me.
I don't know if you can see anything in here. It's pretty dark in here. There's no lights. So the guy told me that the lights are not good. Lights are not good for the temple for some reason. He said if they put on lights, something bad tends to happen. I don't know if that's correct, but that's what he told me. So these are just one of the temples, and there's like 21 more. There's no way I'm gonna visit all 21 temples, but they are interesting to look at. I mean, it's like a ancient piece of history. I mean, how were they making perfect circles 2,000 years ago? I mean, look at that. It's incredible. Some parts of this particular temple look brand new, but others, like this one, you can kind of tell that they're really old. Some of them are deteriorated, and some are brand spanking new. But yeah, it's still really. These are all erotic. And there's naked statues and stuff, and it's crazy. It's kind of similar to the other one, though. I mean, it's not very different than the other one. And you have these symbols again. I'm sure they mean something, but I have no idea. But the view from up here is also amazing. I mean, there's the other temple that we were at before, over there, and now here I don't see any other ones that are visible. Maybe there's one over there. I know there's a tour bus. But yeah.